Dio when my roommate pranked me with rotting gravy. To set a bit of related context, my roommate, 34M, is allergic to food mold, allegedly highly. So when he sees a leftover container with mold, he refuses to open it to dispose of the food. Now, I, 24F, am the sole person responsible for doing the dishes, different story as to why, and am subsequently responsible for dumping the molding rotting food, as I am not allergic. This particular time, I was thinking to myself about how I may not like it, but I feel good having something I can do that someone else can't. Also in this instance, there's like 4 rotting containers, 3 glass, and 1 plastic. Now, I am also wearing earplugs and a bone conduction headset to listen to music without background noise, as I have autism, and too many simultaneous sounds can be overwhelming. As I am returning from the outdoor dumpster where I have finished scraping and dumping the food remains, I am holding a stack of glass bowls with both hands, and carefully open the door with my hip, so I can't actually see inside at the moment, as I'm not facing the opening. Suddenly, the stack of bowls is tipping over, and the plastic one on the top goes flying. I don't know what's happening, and the only thought in my mind at the moment is, oh, no. One of these is gonna break, and I'm gonna get yelled at. Lo and behold, my roommate is staring at me with a shit-eating grin on his face, and a leaf blower in his hand. As realization pours in, I remain silent, but give him the death glare for like 10 seconds. When his smile doesn't drop, and I certainly don't get an apology, I see it as, he's not sorry. He clearly asked for this. I then yell at him about if he ever does that again, I will intentionally throw everything I'm carrying to the ground. Sure, then his smile dropped. I silently finished the dishes after I changed clothes, because the top container splashed rancid gravy onto me as it flew away. I come to find out that he had to go outside to his home gym to do bag work for half an hour to release his anger. He blames these outbursts, having emotions, I have on the medication I take, which is for a hormone imbalance, and actually makes me more stable by extension. He always plays the victim, and says he didn't deserve being yelled at, because the medication is my choice, and he's not obligated to deal with the consequences. At the time, my earplugs were still in, so I don't know how loud I was. Did I overreact?